Hi everyone. I want to talk to you about a change that we're making for the remainder of this school year to help students stay on track with their grades. After looking at last year's grade repair results and our first quarter progress results, we saw that many students who were struggling had missing assignments and attendance issues. So we're taking a new approach that gives students more time and support to get caught up. From now on, for our students who continue to struggle academically due to absences and/or unmotivated behaviors, credit recovery will be referral based. That means when a teacher sees a student falling behind, they can refer them for an after-school work session or detention. This extra time is designed for students to finish missing work and focus on what they need to learn in real time. When a student's referred, both the student and parent will sign a form. That's their ticket into the support session. And for students who may need academic help, tutoring will still be available for our end-of-course subjects. We want every student to have the chance to succeed, and this new system helps make that happen. Thanks for working with us to keep our Hurricanes learning and growing.